All right, here's an example of how you could use drag a copy to create a literacy worksheet that is self-checking. In this worksheet, I have the instructions at the top are the statements fact or opinion, and at the bottom I have fact and opinion that students can drag up into the place. So you notice that when I hover with my hand, I get a little green plus. That means I can drag a copy of fact or opinion. The fastest land-dwelling creature is the cheetah. Right? Right, I've went ahead and I've answered all 8 questions by doing the click and drag, and I have facts and opinions in each one. To make it self-checking, all the student needs to do is to choose a different color background that will allow the correct answers to show up, and as long as their answer matches my answer, they know they got them correct. So let's go ahead and learn how to make this type of a flip chart. So I'll start with a blank one, and I'll go ahead and fill the back in a light color, and I'll go ahead and get my text and directions in. All right, I have 5 questions. Now we just need to put our click and drag areas for fact and opinion. So I'm going to use the text box, and I'm going to choose black text with no background, and I'll have my caps lock on, and I'll go ahead and type in fact, and over here I'll type in opinion. Those are the words that we can click and drag into the boxes. To make it easier, actually I'm going to go ahead and drag the answers up that I can change. Paris is lovely in the springtime. Okay, let's make these our click and drag. So we're going to go drag a copy on both fact and opinion. Now, oops, I'll get out of design view. Now when I hover, Paris is lovely in the springtime. That's an opinion. Here again, I'm going to put it right below. Students should read nonfiction every night. Oops. That is an opinion. There again, I'm putting the correct answers just below the line. Winter begins in December. And football is more exciting than baseball. All right, so at this point, I have my correct answers in. I have my click and drags. The only thing I have left to do is lock everything in place. So I'm going to group all of these things together. Group it. And lock it so the answers will not disappear. And then I need to change their color. So I'm going to use my fill bucket and hide each one of my answers. And my flip chart is done. I hope that helps you use drag a copy effectively in your classroom.